Hi, my name's Leo and today I straighten my beard. I'm 30 years old. I know I don't look that old. And I'm trans. I've been on testosterone for 2 years and 3 months. And my real facial hair experience, or even beard experience, is maybe half a year-ish. Compared to 15 or 16 years of a 30-year-old cis man. So I feel an urge to experience with my facial hair because my experience with it so far is way less than the one of the average cis guy my age. So why not starting off a possible series of facial hair experiments by trying to straighten my beard today? I already tried to twist the ends of my stash, but it didn't really work, so let's go for the straightener today. As always, and you already know this from my hair tutorial, use heat protection on your hair when using a blow dryer or hair straightener because this will minimize the damage the heat causes anyway, but this will minimize. And I know this is ridiculous, but I will use it on my facial hair as well. Alright. I need a mirror for this, so... Okay, that's way too much. I have to let it dry now because heat and wet hair is not a good combination. It will completely burn my hair down to the ground if I straighten it while it's wet. So let's wait for a second. I don't have a fancy beard brush or something professionals do have, probably. Beard professionals. I go for a comb. This will work. This is a pretty handy travel size hair straightener for all you emos out there who go on trips a lot. I can really recommend this. It doesn't take up a lot of space in your suitcase and you can have your nice and straight emo hair abroad as well. And maybe even your emo beard. Today we will see if an emo beard is possible at all. Alright, let's go for it. I really don't know how to do this. Oh, that looks so ugly and disgusting and filthy. I don't really know what I'm doing here. Oh my god. That looks absolutely horrible. But I will continue with this. Let's go on. I'm always afraid to burn myself. I'll never be a real emo because I'm afraid of hair straighteners. Ouch. Ouch. Oh. Well, I think that's it. I'm not sure if it will get any better if I repeat this 100 times. Um, Look at this. Oh my god, how horrible. Yeah, that's not really what I expected. It's I'll give you a close up. Isn't it horrible? Alright, I think the experiment failed. It looks absolutely awful. Somehow my expectations were a bit different to what it looks now. This is so shaggy. It looks... Okay, I think you can see that my beard really isn't that dense. It's all over the place. Oh my god, it looks terrible. However, I think the experiment was justified in a way, because now we know there's no emo beard. You can't straighten your beard. At least I can't straighten my beard. But that's science, kids. That's science. You have to experiment and then you understand things better and you know some more things afterwards. Yeah, that's science. Uh, I'm a scientist, you know. I will put this video in YouTube's beauty category because why not? Or does YouTube have a science category? Probably tech and science or something. Oh, I could upload it to tech and science. That's even better. Alright, I'll head to the bathroom. Alright, I'll head to the bathroom now and turn this fella in something more representable again. Have a nice day, see you next time. Bye.